So hey guys, I am in the process of doing a decorate with me and clean with me video for Halloween. I have so many decorations for Halloween. There's my cat. They've been just dying to get into this box. So you're going to have to bear with them. They're just going to be all over this video. But I have so many decorations for Halloween, and I do a lot of DIYs for a lot of holidays. So make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. My cat is going crazy. So I still might do actually DIY on this in a couple of days, because I have an extra ceramic tree that I picked up at a yard sale, so I might play around with that. So if you want to do a DIY actually on a little bit more of a budget, or if you just want to kind of play around with one, check back maybe on my channel. We'll see how that turns out, because I think $60 for one of these is a little bit of a steep price. Michael's has a lot of the coupons a lot of the times, so you can get it off 50%. At the time this was going off, they had a 50% off coupon plus a 20% off coupon. You could have used the coupons twice, which a lot of the times Michael's doesn't have coupons that you can do that with. I looked everywhere for this tree. I found it in July. Like I said, I wasn't going to buy it because it was July, and I wasn't thinking like this is going to be like a sold out item at the time. And then when I decided I wanted to get it, of course I couldn't find it. It was sold out online. I had to purchase it online. There was only one store near me, and it wasn't even that close. It was 45 minutes away. So I purchased it online. I could only use a 40% off coupon, and it was 40% off $60, which I still think was a little bit of a steep price. I think it was like 30 some dollars that I picked this up for, but I just figured I had to have this in my Halloween collection. I didn't pick up too many new Halloween decorations, I don't think, this year. Target has a lot of Halloween stuff that I do want to pick up, but they haven't had their Halloween stuff out yet this year. So anyway, rambling on. This is ceramic tree, and it's just kind of like a vintage tree, and my nan used to have these when growing up. So she passed away. It's been 8 years. So every time I get my Christmas trees out like this, I always think of her. So we'll just open it, and I figured I'll do an unboxing with you guys. Like I said, these are sold out, and when I went to try to find one, she said she probably wouldn't. We'll see how long it takes to get a cat in here. It's not going to be long. I see one coming right now. Yep. Instantly. Look, they're going to be fighting for that box. There's two in there now. Okay, and then, of course it's tape. Get scissors. But, so they said they probably wouldn't restock anymore, which I don't know how true that is, because I would think if it's only like August, well, I guess it's September now, it's September 1st. But if it's September 1st and you're selling out of these, like, I would imagine, like, you would restock them. So you're making $60 on a tree, I would be restocking it and selling as many as possible. So these are super cute. The base is actually attached. I thought this was going to be separate, but it's not. And the bulb is actually already in there, which is not what I expected. So I don't know how you even would change it, even if you'd want to. So that's different. That's not how I expected it. Here's the little plug, and then there's a little on and off switch here. And the cord's actually rather long. Let me untwisty tie it. The cord's actually pretty long, but this is definitely not how I thought the bulb would have been on the bottom. I know all of my older trees, this lifts up, and then there's like a big bulb under here. So this must be, this is plastic under here. I can feel it already, and this must pop out. Obviously, I didn't look at the directions, so. I got cats in bags and everything else. This is like videos all over the place, guys. I'm sorry. No cats were harmed making this video. Oh wow, a whole bunch of little plastic stoppers, it looks like, probably for in here. And then here's all of the little bulbs. I thought these would actually be a lot bigger than what they'd look like. Here's the little pumpkins. And then the purple ones are just regular, like the standard ones. Yeah. So what we have to do is put, that is so distracting, I'm sorry. So what we have to do is put these on here, which is a lot of extra work. And then we'll just put that on there, which even at that, they still don't fit in there all that great. Hold it up here. See? They still don't even fit in there that great. Even with that stopper in there, they're kind of loose. So that's not actually not even that great. It's not even just that. So I don't know how I feel about that. I thought they would have stayed in there a little bit better. So, I don't know. The little guy at the top is super cute. But these little lights do not stay in very good at all. Oh well, we'll keep going. Now the pumpkins seem to stay in a little bit better. The pumpkins stay in better than a little bit better than the purple ones. The purple ones don't stay in hardly at all. That's disappointing. These should have already came in here. It's going to take me forever. They should have already had these on here. Alright, I will finish doing this and then I will show you what it looks like plugged in. I'm sorry, like, look at my cat chilling back there. He lays like that. Look at him laying back there. He lays like that all the time. Sorry, my cats are all over the place. I have stuff everywhere because my husband's putting a new floor into my son's room. And I have all my Halloween stuff out. I have all my couches moved and I have stuff everywhere. So my cats are just thinking it's for them. It's not. So. Alright. I'm going to finish doing this because this is pretty boring watching me do this. And I will show you what it looks like at night when I plug it in. And we will see how cute this is. So far, I'm not like overly impressed, to be honest with you. I really think that we could do a DIY on this. And I think I'm going to do actually a new video and show you kind of how I would revamp this personally. So, I don't know. We'll see. It might be really cute. It might blow me away when I plug it in. Never know. But so far, these don't even stay in. Like, I'm really upset, actually, how these... Like, my Nan's vintage one. Without these stoppers. Like, they don't even have these stoppers. They stay in way better than... Okay, so I finished putting them all on. It's still all a little loose. I do have a couple extra, 4 extra they give you, and then I have 4 extra little stoppers, rubber stoppers. So I'm going to plug it in and I will show you what it looks like on. My cat's got styrofoam everywhere. It's okay.